Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make money from Google Opinion Rewards. You might be wondering if earning your first $100 online with Google Opinion Rewards is actually possible. Let's explore that idea. This app is incredibly popular, with over 50 million downloads on Google Play alone. It's designed to gather feedback from users like you. And the best part? No expertise or special qualifications are required. Simply download the app, complete your profile, and start receiving surveys. On average, you'll get one survey a week, though sometimes they may be less frequent, which isn't ideal. When a survey is available, you'll receive a notification and can earn up to $1 in Play credits for completing it. The surveys are easy to answer and cover a variety of topics. They might ask questions like, which logo do you prefer? What promotion catches your eye? Or, when are you planning your next vacation? All you need to do is answer the questions. There's no special knowledge required. However, here's the catch. While the app is available on multiple devices, it's not accessible in my region, which means I can't earn money through Google Opinion Rewards, and you might face the same issue. To check if the app is available in your country, review the list of supported locations. There are only a few countries on that list, so it's essential to check if yours is included. Now, if you find that Google Opinion Rewards isn't available where you live, or if it's unlikely to launch there soon, don't lose hope. There are plenty of other ways to earn money online. Google Opinion Rewards is just one option, and there are hundreds of platforms you can explore. Your success will depend on factors like your location and internet connection, so it's a good idea to research the best websites for your circumstances before jumping in. Lucky for you, I've already done the research. Head over to pagefromsurveys.com, which lists the top survey sites by country. Simply select your location and you'll find a list of platforms that pay for survey participation. For example, users in the Netherlands may find 18 options, while those in Thailand might find 17. The site also provides useful details, such as payment methods and payout thresholds. If you're wondering, is $5 to $10 per week enough for me? You may need to get more creative to increase your online earnings. Personally, I don't believe answering basic surveys on Google Opinion Rewards will make you rich. If it's available in your country and you're consistent, you can earn small amounts over time, but it's not a reliable way to make substantial money. Instead, focus on building a system that generates passive income, so you're not trading time for every dollar. Here's a better alternative. Check out cpagrip.com. This is a CPA, cost per action marketplace, where you earn money when someone else completes an action for you. It's different from filling out surveys yourself. After signing up, you'll have access to offers like Take Surveys and Get Rewards, where you earn money when others complete surveys. For example, one offer pays $4 for each person who finishes a survey, and you can refer others to do it for you. Imagine bringing 100 people on board, without lifting a finger, and earning $400. This is the key difference between actively working for money and creating a passive income stream. To make it work, you'll need to drive traffic to these offers. While sharing your link with friends is one way, it's not scalable. Here's a more effective strategy. Create a simple website using Google Sites to embed your CPA links. You can target specific countries, like the US, where users will complete the surveys. On your site, offer them a share of the revenue, say 50%, to motivate them to complete the work for you. You could even set up a Google form to collect proof of task completion. And that's it for this video. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Trust me, this is way better than scrambling for pennies and nickels through Google Opinion Rewards. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.